recommendation letters and are recommendation letters for employment. Well, this is sent by my friend.
Now I will talking about my friend's explanation. Here I'll explain about the characteristic of letter. The first is if you want to write a letter, we have to choose about the paper that we want to take to write down our letter. The first is the paper should be natural colors, for example like white, green, and pink. And the next is include you return the address in the top right corner of the letter. So you have to write down the address and then right top of the letter. And then after the address you have to skip 2 lines and then you write down about the date of the letter. And after that you can skip 2 lines again and you can begin the letter with an upload date. And after that, you can write down the introduction of the letter. Okay. After you write down about the introduction of the letter, you can write the body of your letter and the closing paragraph that communicates an action you expect the recipient to take. And then write the closing remarks. So after the body, you can write the closing of your letter. And then keep 4 lines, and you can write your name and title if it's necessary. Okay, I think